In previous video, we created a neural network that tells us whether test image contains hand or not. Well, what next? If neural network classifies images containing hand, we would like to know location of that hand. This is called object detection in computer vision literature. So, let's train a neural network that does exactly same. Let's get started. If we want a neural network to output location of hand, we need to train it in such a fashion. That is, unlike previous neural network where each image was labeled as either with hand and without hand, this time all images with hand will have 4 labels corresponding to diagonal coordinates of bounding box around hand in that image. This CSV file contains label for each image. Please note that coordinates are normalized with image dimension. That is, if upper X coordinate is at 320th pixel in image with width of 640 pixels, we will label it as 0.5. You might be wondering how I managed to label all 82 images. Well, I wrote a graphical user interface in Python that helped me with this task. Once image is loaded in GUI, I left click at upper coordinate and right click at lower coordinate of probable bounding box around the hand. These coordinates are then returned to a file. Following that, I click next button to load next image. I repeated this procedure for all 82 trained and 4 test images. Once labels were ready, it was training time. First, we need to load all necessary libraries, which includes PIL for image manipulation, Matplotlib for plotting, NumPy for matrix operation, OS for operating system dependent functionality, and Keras for neural network. In second, third, fourth, and fifth cell, we load images into NumPy array and create a 4-dimensional array from CSV file to act as labels. In cell number 6, we create our neural network. Its architecture is identical to neural network used for classification, except the output dimension, which is 4 and not 1. Another difference comes from loss function used, which is mean squared error. On cell number 8, we start training of our neural network. Once trained, I ran this model on test set to get predictions for bounding box. On overlaying coordinates of bounding box, they look pretty accurate. So guys, that's it for this mini project. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, train a neural network.